How to change your Facebook business page name. I'm Georgianne from GSD Solutions, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how. Once you're inside of your Facebook business page and you're on this side of the profile where you can manage the page, you're going to go ahead to the left menu bar and you're going to click Settings. Once the setting page loads, you're going to go back to the left-hand menu bar and you're going to scroll until you are under Audience and Visibility, and then you're going to select Page Setup. Once you select Page Setup, you're going to look at the right side of the page where it says Name. You're going to click Name. Upon clicking Name, you're going to click Name again and click the little pencil next to it where it says Edit. And at this point, you could change your page name. As a reminder, you can only change your Facebook name every 60 days. So make sure that the name that you're changing it to will be something that you are actually committing to for at least the next 60 days. Once you review the changes, you're going to go ahead and select Review Changes, and that will update your Facebook business page name. If you need additional operations or technology support, go ahead and schedule a call with our expert at GSDSolutionsinc.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, share it with someone, subscribe to our channel, and comment any questions you may have below. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.